So you are learning about converting an array to a string. So if I have to convert an array to the string, I need to use the toString method. ToString. Now you can see this array is converted to a string. So before it was an array, now it was in a string. Okay. So here you can create a variable to access the string, and the source was not changed. That is a toString method. It will convert an array to the string. Now if I have to find a max value or a min value, or if I have to sort, then what are the methods available, we will see. If you have to sort an array, you need to use the sort method. So sort method is what? To sort an array alphabetically, or you want alphabetically, you can sort alphabetically, or you can numbers also you can do. Ascending order, descending order also we can use the sort. So let us see how it works. Let us create one array. Let array 4 equal to, I am creating some elements, some ball which is not in order, ball, zoo, okay, and cat and dog. So I want to be sorted in alphabetically. So that purpose we can make use of this sort method. We can use sort method. Now you can see it is sorted out. So it will return the sorted array, which is ball, cat, dog, and zoo. Okay, like this you can sort sort the alphabeticals. Now if I have to reverse, right, so it is in a sorted way, I just want to reverse it. So that time array dot for dot reverse. So reverse method you can use. Now you can see it was reversed, which is in a reverse way. Okay, now if we have to sort a number, now as of now we are good with the sorting of alphabets. Now we'll create an array with the numbers. Now we'll create an array with the 6, 3, 5, 2, 2, 5, 1, 1, 8. So like this I have created. Now I have to sort. So directly the sort method we can't use it directly. Sort method we can't use it like this. You can see. So if you are giving the sort, right, it is coming like this. But if you have like in single quotes or something, or if you have a 2 letters, right, this sort won't work. So let us create another array. So like this, 1 2 1 1 1 3 1 5 1 6. Now I'm creating array 6 equal to 6 dot sort method. It is also coming fine. No, some problem will be there with the sort method. Actually this the numbers are sorted as strings actually. So 12 is bigger than the 11 because 2 is bigger than the 1. So let us see how it is coming. The with the like this we will create. Then you can see the difference. Array 7 equal to, you can create with the this like this, 40, 200 and 2, 5, 10 like this. Now you try this 7 dot sort. Now you can see this is not in ascending order. So if you have a single digits, or if you have a numbers with the same starting, like I've used like 11, 15 like that, right? If you are going like this, then it will be correct only. But if you are going like this now with the bigger numbers, so that time this sort method won't work properly. So that for that reason you can create like this. So now array7 dot sort function a comma b. Here you need to open the curly brace, return a minus b. So here you can close it. Now you can see this array 7 was sorted out. Now I want to have in a descending order. Simply use b minus a. That's it. B minus a. Now it was descending order. So like this, there is a problem with the sort for the numbers. So that time we have to use this sort function. If you want an ascending order, a minus b. If you want a descending order, b minus a you should use. Okay. Next, you want random also, you can use a random method. Okay. And what else we have? Max. So if you want to get the maximum value from this array, right, you can go with the math dot max apply method. So we will learn about that. Want a maximum value from the array, you have to use which method? Math dot max method. If you want to use the min, math dot min method. So there will be a syntax for this. I will show you. Array7 dot for array, right, or else we can create a elements here, array here. So let us create an array variable number array equal to, I have 2, 5, 10, 200, 50. So like this I want to get a maximum of the array, so that you can go, we can get the maximum array in two ways. So first one is using the sort method. So what we will do, we will sort method means I will create a function with the sort, and a minus b will do. So after that what will happen, if you are doing the a minus b, it will start from ascending order, like the smallest to the biggest. I want the biggest one, right? So what is the default biggest one? Obviously length minus 1. So which is the last index? This is the biggest one. If you want the lowest number, you can use array7 of 0, that is the lowest. You can see here. You can also array dot length. You can go with like this, array7 dot length minus 1. So what is the value? Array7 dot add 7 dot length minus 1. First we will sort it out. We need to create a variable sorted array equal to array7 dot sort function a comma b, insert the return a minus b. Now what is the sorted array? Now this one. Now if I have to get the highest one, what is that? Variable max value equal to sorted array of sorted array dot length minus 1. And what is the max value? 200. So this way also you can get it. First you can sort it out, then you can take array dot length minus 1, which is obviously the last one. Now if I have to get the minimum value, what is that? Variable minimum equal to sorted array of 0, which is the starting index. That one will be the minimum value. What is the min value here? 2. So like this you can get the using the length property, you can get the max value and min value after sorting. And you can also get with the math.max or math.min, that methods also there. Let us see how to use that. So here I'm creating one empty div to get that value and to append here. Here I am giving max, and I am giving the text, or I'll have added from the JavaScript. Now I've created it. Now I'm creating like document dot get element by id of, what is that, max, right? Max id name dot inner html equal to, here we will create a function and we will call it here. Okay, as of now give the semicolon. First we will create a function. So before using of that very function, you need to define before using of that. That's why in the above line I am creating, you need to find a max in the array, right? You need to pass the array. So this is the array name, right? I have to pass here. Okay, now open the curly brace, close the curly brace. Here you need to return the math.max method. You can use math.max method dot apply. This is the syntax, apply null comma array. So math.max dot apply, this is the syntax you need to remember to pass, sorry, to apply, to get that maximum from the array. So here the array name is number array. You need to give the same name here. Now we need to call this here. Okay, now try. So here we will give this text is maximum value from the array. Save it and check. We don't need the breakpoints here, just remove it. Now you can see max value from the array is 200. Now I want a minimum value. In that place only just replace the math with the min. Now you can see min math dot max dot apply of null comma array. Okay, to find the highest number in the array, and a min is the to find the lowest number in the array. That is a standard syntax. And also if you want to get it without any array methods also, we can do using the for loops and while loop. So that you can try, you can write the logic for that. So to find for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to length I plus plus, you need to have it if condition here. If you need to take the two loops, like for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to array dot length I plus plus, then inside that another loop for j equal to 0, not j equal to 0, it should be j equal to 1. So first loop should start with the 0 and second loop should start with the 1, because we have to check each and every element, which is the highest one, which is the lowest one. So we need to swap. So if you want a lowest one, right, if the 2 is here, then swap here. If you want the highest number, right, swap this two. Next this two we need to compare. Next this two we need to compare. So like this, if you want to sort it or get the maximum value or something manually, also we can do with our for loops and while loops. Now so we learned about the sort method, right? So sort method we learned for sorting an array. So with the sort we can also sort with the objects also, we can sort. Okay, and to compare the property values and everything, we can make use of it. Suppose I have an array, I want to sort that object with the age. Suppose I am creating a object variable, my object equal to, I am creating a number of people. So id will be 1 and name will be Mira, and as it is a string, we need to have single quotes at the top, like for that string. Now age, I'm giving age, I'm giving as 20. Now I'm creating another element, 4 or 5 we can take. And here I'm updating the values, id2, id3, id4, id5. Okay, here I'm updating 30 or 40. Here I'm giving 60. Randomly I'm giving 10, 30 and 70. Okay, now I want to sort this array. I want to sort this array by age. So which is the minimum age here? So this one. So I am updating the variable values as well, like Jira, Hira, Kira, Hira. Now I want to sort this object with respect to the age. So you can do like this. Now simply, so in the same way we can create. So now the object is ready. Now I want to sort that. So just you can use sort object method over here. So before using of any function, we need to define here function sort object. Here I want to add that to the some div. So here you can create sorted array or something you can create here. H1 I'm giving here sorted object, and I'm creating a span to add here that sorted object, and to iterate each and every element also in the object we will learn about this. Here I'm creating id equal to my object container. I am taking, okay, copy this and use it into this. Here you need to write for that container only, in that container only we are going to add each and every object, right? That element in the object you need to write like this: document dot get element by id of, in single quotes, sorry, we need to copy the this one id, control C and control V, then inside that inner HTML I want to add this object. So here I want to add, you can add to the ULLI or else you can normally add also. So we need to sort it, right? First, before adding to that, we should sort it out. So we will sort it out first. So we can use this my object, sorry, my object. Here I am sorting out dot sort function, and a comma b we need to pass two values, two values we need to compare it. Inside that return what I want to compare, I want to sort an array with the age, right? Here you need to write a dot age minus b dot age. So now this object was sorted out. We'll console log it to check it is working or not. Okay, sorted object. And what is that object name? My object. This one, third one. Okay, now it is ready. Now I want to append each and everything into the this div. So that purpose, what is the object name? My object of 0, in the 0 index dot name, plus I want to have a text space here, next plus, and I want my object dot, what is that, 0 of age. Next I want have some break or something you want, you can give it. As it is HTML, I am giving it in a double quotes. Now repeat the same thing. You can go with this if you have less element, or else you have to use the for in loop. We will discuss the for in loop in the coming classes. Okay, the next, the first element. Okay, how many elements? 5, right? Same. Second, so till end of that, 3, and this is the 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 elements, right? 4. Now we are done. Give the comma. No, no need of comma. Just give the plus here. We are concatenating, right? Just give the plus over here. Plus, plus, plus. That's it. Okay. Now we have to call this. So how to call this? Just give a parenthesis. Okay. Now we are ready. Now we will look at that output. Sorted object, somehow it is not coming. What syntax error missing after the argument list is line number 59. Line number 59. Here we haven't closed it properly, so we have opened the function here and we haven't closed here. You need to close it. Okay, now you can see this is in a age in a order 10, 30, 40, 60, 70. So like this, and you can see we have console log that object as well, right? So like this we can we can sort an object as well. Okay, next, so I'm going to wind up the session. If you have any doubts, you can call me. You can ask me, or else we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.